It's a Friday night and we have planned to go and have biryani. This is my sister. And this is my sister's friend Kawana. We are going to have biryani in Mani's dum biryani. Money! Cookie, when you come back, your towel will be down on the road.
I did jugaad. I will not fall.
Oh, this is your jugaad.
Shabbas beta.
Did you guys get auto?
No.
If he comes here and then he comes
Our
here and
pickup
then
is in
comes
1
here.
minute.
Yeah.
Bro, it's so far. Why do you go down?
Cookie, you look pink.
See,
Like
like
your...
cab. And she wants to go down.
He's here. Let him come at least here. Then we
I
go
will
down.
go when he comes here.
Cookie will go after he comes down.
After we leave, then go.
After he leaves. Okay, our cab is here and we are going down. Hello! I'm too hungry to wait, yaar. This place is only like 1.2 kilometers away.
Imagine traveling 10 kilometers.
Yeah. First we thought of going to one place. First we thought of going to a place that is like 10 kilometers away. We would die in the cab only. I'm gonna try Mani's dum biryani for the first time. And I'm in Bangalore since 6 years.
Meghna fans, cancel her.
Yeah, please cancel this call. No, I love Meghna biryani in Bangalore.
No.
In
No.
Bangalore, I
Now
like
it's
my
done.
Madmika biryani.
I like only mummy biryani. See.
How far it is, bro?
Yeah, check in your phone how long to reach.
No, you book money only, no?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Mani's dum biryani. Mani's dum biryani. How to enter? Oh, there are stairs. There's stairs there. Are you sure you have to go from here? See, it's... Hey, no, man. That's the generator.
Come with me to eat biryani inside a generator.
Mani's dum biryani, first floor. Both took the sofa and they made me sit alone.
You won't have to blur so many faces behind you.
So we ordered 3 chicken biryani and 1 chicken kebab fry and coke. So after eating, we are going to crash like crazy. Even the wait is like so long. I'm feeling very hungry. How hungry are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Again,
We eat silently. That level.
yeah.
We three are going to eat silently once the biryani comes. We are that hungry. We are even sitting in silence. We are that hungry.
Yeah.
Jaldi aao bhai. Our chicken kebab fry has come. But where is the biryani, yaar? Wow, beti. Wow, beti. Biryani is kya? Khushi ki aansu. We are going to dig in now. The wait is over. Raita. Let me show you my plate. It's looking so yum. At this point, we'll not know if it's actually nice or we are just hungry. Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Shadika. In front of us only.
Shadi ka hall. We are all done eating. Cheers. There were so many of these here. Now everything is curry. Everything is in this. Kawana was about to enter the kitchen to thank the chef. We are taking the stairs now after tossing. Literally, there's like a big board, you know, no exit. But no, she wants to enter.
New staff in Mani's dum biryani. Max, we'll go shopping.
Hey, we'll go to Max.
Yeah, I'm
Thanking the waiter was not enough. I have to thank the chef also.
I got this.
After admitted in Mani's dum biryani.
Oh shit! There's a crack.
No, this two already was
Oh,
there.
it was there.
I am searching for new cracks. No new cracks, dude.
Wow!
Camera is safe. It's yum.
It reminds me of Varsha auntie.
Just peak Varshanti behavior.
Yeah, my aunt, okay, she always takes this. Like so much, she put in tissue.
Let's go, Max, man.
Let's go to Max. Cookie has office dinner tomorrow and her theme is Hawaii. Hawaiian outfit. She has to wear something.
I'm wearing Hawaii chappal.
She wear Hawaii jumper.
Why you grown up?
Wow, Betty. Kavana put everything down.
There's proof also over here.
Exactly.
Thread.
I'm getting a pant. What are you getting? Oh, you're getting all the 6, huh?
No, only 3.
Oh my god, look at the line. After seeing the line, I feel like not buying this anymore. Finally, we reached the counter. We got new clothes. We're deciding where to go next. We don't want to go home.
Here they are registered.
We'll go to Corner House. Nobody can say no to Corner House. Why is Cookie blushing though? Why are you blushing?
That DVC made I go.
Yeah, DP.
Mom, कौन है उस यार?
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Oh my god, she was blushing 2 minutes back. She was blushing for Corner House. And now she's saying she doesn't want to go to Corner House.
Where do you want to go, man?
I'm thinking. Okay, think fast. She wants to go and sit in that chair.
Anna, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ chair ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ನೋವು. ಕಾಲು. ಪಾಪ ಮುದುಕಿ. Let's go corner house.
Yeah. Hey, 2 versus 1. We both vote for Corner House.
We'll go to Milano.
Okay.
Have you tried Milano? Have you
I'm
tried Milano?
right.
It's good.
We can go to Milano.
Come back now.
Kavana, why are you sitting like this?
After eating biryani, ask me just
We're coming to eat properly.
Yeah. After eating now, we're feeling congested. Oh my god, it was here only. What is this false giri?
Oh no, we just got scammed.
We scammed ourselves.
Nobody
Yeah,
checked
to
it.
here. It was like, I think 200 meters and we booked auto.
He might think what a lazy ass. Just to take one turn.
And over that we are complaining that we became fat after eating biryani.
Embarrassing. One huge black spot on my resume.
Even Google Pay is like, I'm not getting paid because you all booked a cab for 200 meters.
He's asking me, are you guys New Year, bro? कैसे पता होता
Oh my god, yes.
चाहिए bro. Seriously.
Snapping. Oh my god, you all brought cone for me cup.
That's why I asked phone or cup.
I didn't know that you guys are also taking cone. Paparazzi moment for our ice cream.
Hey, I want to try that trend.
That trend, no, do that. So, see?
So cute. Wow. We have a picture. Keep it like that.
It's so cute. I miss Mangalore ka pabbas wala tiramisu. I stole my sister's ice cream.
Ice cream melted our ass fat.
Yeah.
We got a bigger water now and we have plenty of place to sit.
We just became slim.
This is called delusion.
Because we ate gelato, right? It's healthy, that's why.
Not even lemon, bro.